Good morning and Assalamualaikum, my students, my fellows. How are you? Hope you fine. And you will better do better in these hot summer days. Sure or not? Sure? Not. Of course not. Because it's a very hot summer days and everyone is lazy in these conditions. Am I right? Right, of course, right. So today is our next topic, present perfect tense, but we do present perfect tense in use of correct grammar. So let's see. Okay. Use of correct grammar in a present perfect tense. And I talking about you my previous lectures present perfect tense. And if you understand in a best way, so please watch my previous lectures about tenses. Thank you so much. So let's start our next version, use of correct grammars. It dash since morning rain. It dash. It third person, it has been. It has been. So here is rain, only rain, and we use of, yes, continue tense, ing with adding ing. It has been raining since morning. Okay. And next, we dash TV since the nightfall, and here is watch. We dash TV. We have been, because we plural, so we use have been. We have been, so watch included, and with adding ing, watching. Watching TV since the nightfall. They dash for the train for long time. Wait. So they third person and plural. They dash. They have been. They have been waiting for the train for a long time. And next, he dash as a postman for 10 years. He dash third person and singular. So we use we, has been, verb adding ing, working. As a postman for 10 years. For 10 years, which 10 years? Here is not mentioned any year and month's name and not. Just like 19, 20. So, for 10 years, which 10 years? So, it's a not mentioned, so we use for. Okay. And here is at the upper sentence, for the train for a long time. For a long time. For a long time, here is mentioned long time, but not including long time periods. Started still 2 not. So not start, so we use for long time. For here is since nightfall, it's a mention, so we use since. Okay, time period still started night to nightfall. And next morning, it has been raining since morning period, starting time, so we use since. And the next, number 5, the trial dash on for a long time. So here is first form of verb go, and the trial has been go, including or adding ing. Going, has been going on a for long time. And the next, how long dash you dash in this college? In this college. Okay, and here is teach in a bracket. So how long dash you dash in this college? How long have been teaching? How long have been you teaching? Are you seeing? Teaching in this college. And next, people dash for their leader for months. For people dash for their leaders for months. People have been waiting for their leaders for months, and not mention month's name. Okay, So we use only for 4 months. And next, it dash for 4 hours and in brackets hail. It has been singular. It has been hailing, hail, adding ing because continue. It has been hailing for 4 hours. And next, the peon dash the bell for 10 minutes ring. The peon singular, third person, the peon has been ringing. The peon has been ringing the bell for 10 minutes. The dash in the pool for half an hour. The dash, they plural and third person, they have been. Swim, adding ing, swimming. In the pool for half an hour. For half an hour. Because it's not mentioned any day of names and then day of months and day of half an hour. Which an hour we don't know, so we use only use for, because here is no mention. डेज नेम यहाँ पे मेंशन नहीं है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे क्या यूज़ करेंगे, फॉर यूज़ करेंगे. सो आई इन डिटेल यूज़ ऑफ सिंस, where can we use of since and for. My previous lectures, present perfect tense, lecture number 1 and lecture number 2, and here is lecture number 3. So please, for best understanding, please watching my previous about tenses. Thank you so much, and please subscribe and comments me and sharing me, and what can I do with the best way or an easy way if you don't understand my tenses and any lectures. Thank you so much. Okay, see you.